In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Samsung Odyssey G7. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Samsung Odyssey G7. I'm going to talk about how to set up the individual parts that come in the box, so when you first unbox the G7, and also about the software that you will be using to calibrate your screen. So first, when you unbox the Odyssey G7, the very first thing that you should do is set up the mount. So you will have three main pieces that you can see over here to the left. So you have the base and then the actual stand. So you place this stand on top of the base and you screw it in using this provided screw. So after you are done with this part, you will be able to set it up on top. So tightly fasten the connection screw at the bottom of the stand base, and once this step is done, fasten the large screw in the middle for assembly. Next, push the assembled piece that you can see here into the main body in the directions of the arrows. So as you can see, there will be two little holes and you simply have to align it. Once you align it, push it down and you will hear a click in this area, indicating that the stand was properly connected to the panel or the monitor. Now, you will also have the cover rear top. Just disassemble it by pulling the two pieces apart, and once you have the two pieces, you can put them back in over here. So make sure that you connect them to the back of the monitor right in front of the stand that you just mounted, and you will be able to click them together. So push them together and they will click after you rotate it clockwise. Now stand up the monitor using both of your arms. You can also ask someone for help. After you install the stand, you will be able to place it upright like this, and you will be able to control the height, you will be able to control the angle, the swivel, and so on. Make sure not to peel off this panel film. This is important for the panel to function properly, and removing it can void your warranty. So after you do all of this, you will be able to download profiles that you can use to calibrate it. You can use the joystick on the actual monitor to access the settings and change the resolution, screen size, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Samsung Odyssey G7. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.